So R square actually is like this. It is, as I said, baseline performance, minus model performance. So in order to learn how to calculate R square, we need to learn how to calculate baseline performance. And baseline performance here is calculated just by calculating error. So baseline performance is calculating error. And since error has positive and negative sign, we square it to get rid of those positive and negative signs to not to avoid cancellation of the errors by themselves. And then we sum it up over all the cases in our data set. You might want to divide it by the number of cases to have the average, but since for the baseline and for the model, the number of cases is identical because we are working on one identical data set, then the result won't be different. So the baseline performance is like this: the error, and we square it, we sum it up over all cases. So the model performance is exactly like this. It is error power 2 sum over all cases. But these two errors, so the difference is about the error, okay? And we know that definition of error is actual minus predicted. So for baseline, this predicted is baseline prediction. Would be the actual minus baseline or naive model prediction. And let me clean this one up. And for the error of the model, it would be the actual minus model prediction. Okay, so it might seem confusing, but it's quite straightforward. In order to calculate the R squared, you need to calculate the baseline performance and the model performance. And both of them are calculated exactly the same. It is by squaring the errors and sum them up. Okay, so this is model performance and this is the baseline performance. So their difference lies in calculation of error. For the baseline model, the error is calculated using the baseline prediction. For the model, the error is calculated using the model prediction. Okay, so yeah, that's it. The model is basically, so the R square is basically telling us the performance improvement from the naive performance, the naive model performance, how much we have improved our prediction from our benchmark. Yeah, very rational to have such metric.